Hello friends, this is Cryptonian and we're taking a look at Bitcoin and the market. It is currently North American East Coast time. It's about 1 a.m. and this is Monday morning, early Monday morning. And Bitcoin is pulling back, having a small little dump here. It's 38,800 right now. And we did have a break of support here at 40,000 up here. And it's not too big of a deal here at this point. Bitcoin does have these corrections that can be 2 to 3,000, but if you're not paying attention, it can catch you off guard. We were in this pennant triangular formation here, where we had a lot of support here running up, but we did have a descending resistance area. We did come into this flag from above, so this makes it a bearish pennant. And of course we did break support here, and we came right back down to, we had a low of 38,500. And so at this point it looks like we could be trying to establish some support here. On the 1 hour we do have a little bit of buying coming in right here. Whether that's going to hold or not really sure. This blue line here shows that we do have a lot of support at 39. We've broken it, but Bitcoin does like to break support and then come back up and then settle at certain support areas. So not sure if that's going to happen or not. If it does not happen, if we do not come back up and hold the $39,000 area, then we could be seeing a bit lower price, and the support under that is 37,500. Will we make it to that point? Not really sure. It's it's about 50-50 right now at this point. Currently, let's take a look at some indicators. Currently right now we are oversold, severely oversold. On the 1 hour we're at 17, so we could see a bounce here, and that's why we're seeing this little bit of buying coming in. And let's take a look at the 4 hour. Okay, yeah, look, the 4 hour here is severely overbought as well. We're 20, so not a bad place to get in my opinion. Again, this is not financial advice. I'm just letting you know what I see in the market. And currently with an RSI so low like that, that's usually where a lot of buyers come in, at these very low RSIs here. Now what happens is we have this pullback here, and then this little dump here, and then if we can regain this level of 39,000, then we could establish a head and shoulders, reverse head and shoulders pattern. This being the shoulder, possible head here, and then if we can regain some momentum and push back up, then we could be back on track for a head and shoulders pattern. Now next month is May, okay, and so from May to October through the summer, usually the stock market and many times crypto becomes very slow. So we could be seeing the beginning of that. Not really sure. So we just need to wait and see. But at this point, not a bad place for anyone who is an investor, wants a dollar cost average. Again, not financial advice. Our stochastics and Fisher shows that we have a little bit more to go. Actually, we're still moving down, which is not surprising because Bitcoin is in the middle of a pullback, and but we're not seeing really heavy volume. Not seeing a lot of volume here. We've seen bigger volumes earlier, so we're seeing, as we slowly grind down, lower sell volumes, which is good, meaning that sellers are getting exhausted. Less people are willing to sell at these lower price points, and once most of the sellers that are willing to sell at these lower prices, once they dry up, then we typically turn around and we push higher. Okay, once all the selling is exhausted, all of the market manipulation stops, and it goes the other way, right? So what we could be seeing here is a fatal stab test of some kind of a liquidity grab, and this clearly was a consolidation area here, and we could resume this once we have some stability, price action support, and then we could push up higher and probably regain this support level of 39 to 40 right here. So that being said, we can see that the altcoins are pretty much following Bitcoin, following them down. Altcoins don't have a real big loss today because it's a new day, but we've been going down for the past few days, right? So the cumulative effect has been 10-12%. So it is significant. Aave is down. ADA currently 88 cents. Aave 162. Algo 69 cents. Arweave $28. Atom $22. Okay. Audio actually has, you can see they've had this small rally, but they are having a correction, small correction right now. Nothing to be concerned with at this point in time, unless it continues. Audius currently at $1.33. Audius is doing well. Has actually defied Bitcoin, ignored Bitcoin recently. So AVAX $72, taking a correction with Bitcoin. And another one is BAT. BAT's actually had a little bit of a rally here as well, but currently is dumping with Bitcoin. Okay. So let's see. BNB also correcting with Bitcoin. So there you have it, friends. You can see that the market's pretty much following Bitcoin, and we are in a correction. So be patient and just at this point, be patient and wait for support to come in. See where Bitcoin will find support on the chart, whether it's 37.5 or 39 or 38. It's going to be, I think we're pretty close to that support area right now, and we are in a greater bump and run pattern. Okay, let me show that to you as well. Here on Bitcoin, on the Bitcoin chart, you can see that we are in this larger bump and run pattern. This bump and run pattern was started at, let me move this down here a little bit, started when it was rejected at 69 up here, okay, and then we've been in this downtrend for some time, and this is the lead-in phase. The top area is the lead-in phase as we come down, and then the other structure shows that we have the bump right here, and then we pushed up, had a pullback, and now we're having a retest of this support line. Actually a little bit higher than that. This long blue line here going through the chart, this is a support line for the bump and run, and we're just coming down. It takes time a little bit to come down, and in this general area probably is going to be support right above this blue line, which is bump and run. Now the next, it takes time for these bump and runs to develop and to play out and to change directions, but they do end up pumping to the upside. Okay, so I would say just be patient, wait for Bitcoin to gain momentum. Now whether it's going to be this coming month and a half or at the end of the summer, not really sure. But we'll just have to wait and see. Okay, but we are finding, in my opinion, a bottom, and we're not very far away from some type of a rally. Okay, so be patient. And yep, so here we are. We're finding a little bit of purchasing coming back in. Looks like we may be holding this $39,000 area. $39,000 area, like I said, is significant. We've seen more buying at the $39,000 area over the past, I don't know, 6 to 8 months than we have at any other price point. So 39,000 is very strong. So it's not surprising that we're trying to hold on to that right now. Looking at the 1 hour shorter time frame, yeah, here we go. Yep. So you can see we've got some buying coming in, and whether that's going to hold or not really sure. I may take a position here actually because we're so oversold, and but I'm expecting today to be slow. Let's wait and see what tomorrow, Tuesday. What I mean by tomorrow, I mean Tuesday. Let's see what Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday look like, and we'll probably establish support this week. So thanks for watching, friends. Sorry about the video being a little bit longer here. Just wanted to explain a few things. Again, this is not investment advice. This is just what I see on the charts, in my opinion. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video. Take care.